Lifestyle. It is a way of living. It is how we live our everyday life. Stress can have impact on our lifestyle. Before going to the details, please remember to subscribe this channel if you are new here. Do watch other videos in this channel and share it with students and those who love learning psychology. Thank you. What is lifestyle? The way in which a group or individual prefer to live, which then becomes characteristics of that group or person. Factors related to an individual's lifestyle include their behavior, attitudes, interest, and other factors. A lifestyle typically defines who an individual is, their characteristics, and what is classed normal for that person. No matter what your lifestyle, there are something that count as good. It is healthy to have a good lifestyle, regardless of the one you adopt. Let's see an example of lifestyle. Digital nomad lifestyle. Digital nomads leverage technology to work remotely and travel frequently. Next is family-oriented lifestyle. This lifestyle emphasizes the importance of family relationship and prioritize spending quality time with loved ones. Stress can have significant impact on lifestyle, affecting various aspects of a person's life. Let's see a few ways in which stress can influence our lifestyle. Stress can affect our sleep patterns. It disrupts our sleep pattern, leading to difficulties falling asleep, staying asleep, or obtaining restful sleep. This can result in fatigue, decreased productivity, and difficulties in daily functioning. Stress can affect our diet and nutrition. It influences our eating habit and food choices. Some individuals may turn to comfort foods or engage in emotional eating as a coping mechanism, leading to unhealthy dietary patterns. For some people, stress can reduce appetite and contribute to unintentional weight loss or inadequate nutrition. Stress affects physical activity. High level of stress can impact motivation and energy levels, making it challenging to engage in regular physical activity. Lack of exercise or reduced physical activity can have negative effect on physical health and overall well-being. Substance abuse. Some individuals may turn to substance such as alcohol, tobacco, or drugs as a way to cope with stress. Substance abuse can have severe detrimental effect on physical and mental health, and it can further exacerbate stress levels. Then stress affect relationship and social interactions. The relationship with family, friends, colleagues, etc. It may lead to increased conflict, strained communication, and a reduced ability to engage in social activities. This can result in feeling of isolation and further contribute to stress levels. Mental health. Chronic stress can take a toll on mental health, leading to increased level of anxiety, depression, or other mental health disorders. It can impact cognitive functions, memory, concentration, and decision-making abilities. Productivity and performance. When stress levels are high, it can affect productivity and performance in various areas of life, including work, academics, and personal goals. Stress may lead to difficulties focusing, decreased motivation, and reduced efficiency. Overall well-being. Prolonged stress can have a cumulative effect on overall well-being. It can contribute to feelings of overwhelm, burnout, and a diminished sense of satisfaction and fulfillment in life. So in this video, we have seen how the stress affect our lifestyle. It is important to recognize the impact of stress on lifestyle and take proactive steps to manage stress effectively. In the upcoming video, we will see how to cope up with stress. Hope you liked this video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you and keep smiling.